Hello, everyone. This is my review of the Royal Oak Tumbleweed Firestarter. It's a good product for starting your fire. You just put it on there. You can use it for wood or coal or any type of fire that you're trying to start. It's easy to light with a match or a fire starter. You could also use it to start your barbecue pit as well. Let me show you. It looks like this, like a tumbleweed of sticks or hay. You can use it to rekindle a fire that's already going as well. Like I said, I have here. See how quickly it fires up. This has been my review of the Royal Oak Tumbleweed Fire Starter.